how do you ensure service of your SAP PI system? So I was talking with a friend, and we're having a little chat about this this gray zone that is normally in an organization about who has responsibility. So normally in a PI world, you would have the basis guys that is responsible for the OS running, the database is running, the application is running, and maybe doing a little bit of optimization with the number of servers and instances running to ensure they got full or is leveraging all the resources you have. And then you got the application developers that's responsible for developing new application, documenting and testing, deploying them to production, and do some kind of support and making sure it runs. But then you got the cases where a message fails because or there's not enough connections, or that would trickle down and make issues, and obviously an application developer or a PI developer, PO developer, in some cases would be able to solve this, and probably is the best approach for it. But PI developers may not be as flexible and may not want to do the 24/7 support that you want in your organization for it to run. So you need to find what's the middle ground about where do we overlap in these different instances. So I wanted to hear your take about this. So who is responsible for this, the layer of organizing the queues, ensuring that the system is running, ensuring no queues is built up and stuff like that in your organization? What's the real location of these things? Table spaces is filled up. It's obviously a basis task, but there may be some steps that actually leads in before you are actually filling up the data and creating these issues. So I'd like to hear your take about how do you do this optimally. So please post them in the comment section below. I'd like to hear your take. Is this because you're the only one in the organization, it's the basis? Is it outsourced and then you just hope they got the correct resources for this and it's not complaining that it's not really working as you expect it to? So I'd like to hear your take on this. Thank you.